Eurofighter Typhoon, a fourth-generation workhorse of Britain's Royal Air Force, RAF, faces an uncertain future in an era increasingly dominated by stealth technology. Although it excels in quick reaction alerts and air policing, the Typhoon's non-stealth design may limit its relevance against advanced adversaries. The Eurofighter Typhoon, a fourth-generation workhorse of Britain's Royal Air Force, RAF, faces an uncertain future in an era increasingly dominated by stealth technology. Although it excels in quick reaction alerts and air policing, the Typhoon's non-stealth design may limit its relevance against advanced adversaries. Continuous upgrades have kept it competitive, but rising costs and the need for modern capabilities are challenges. Despite plans to keep the Typhoon operational until at least 2040, the development of sixth-generation fighters like the Future Combat Air System, FCAS, will likely render it obsolete. The Typhoon's agility and performance remain valued, but its end is approaching. Eurofighter Typhoon, can it remain relevant in a stealth era? The Eurofighter Typhoon has been a staple of Britain's Royal Air Force, RAF, for 2 decades. But with the onset of fifth-generation technology, and with the increased importance of stealth technology, can the non-stealth Typhoon remain relevant much longer? The future of the Eurofighter Typhoon is the fourth-generation workhorse of the RAF, much as the F-16 Fighting Falcon is the fourth-generation workhorse of the U.S. Air Force. Some jobs you just don't need a fifth-generation stealth fighter for, like quick reaction alerts and air policing missions. Actually, the Typhoon is better suited to such roles than say an F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. If what you require are quick reaction alert and air policing, then probably you want something with greater range, with better performance at an altitude that isn't sensitive from a security point of view and is cheaper to operate, said Royal United Services Institute fellow Justin Bronk. The Typhoon is much better suited to that role. Plus, the Typhoon can carry more ordnance, which makes the jet arguably more effective for missions in permissive and semi-permissive airspaces over places like Iraq and Syria, and thanks to continuous upgrading, the Typhoon has remained more up-to-date than its origin would indicate, with contemporary electronics and radar and defense systems, but upgrades are costly, according to Air Force technology, and some of the older aircraft will retire 15 years earlier than planned. As the Typhoons are retired, it will be harder to maintain RAF expertise on air superiority missions, simply because there will be fewer air superiority fighters to train on. Yet, the Typhoon isn't going anywhere just yet. The jet will remain, as the RAF's linchpin, until at least 2040, despite being more expensive upfront than the F-35A and costing similar to the F-35B. Q.